Introduction. Welcome to this instructional guide on operating a laboratory UV visible single beam spectrophotometer. In this video, you will learn how to install, prepare, operate, and maintain the instrument safely and effectively. Unpacking or initial check. Begin by unpacking the instrument carefully. Check for any external damage, verify all accessories, and ensure the sample chamber and optical components are clean and free from foreign objects. Installation or placement. Place the spectrophotometer on a stable, vibration-free surface. Avoid direct sunlight, dust, corrosive gases, and electromagnetic interference. Ensure proper ventilation around the instrument and connect only to a properly grounded power source. Power on or warm up. Switch on the instrument and allow it to complete its internal self-test. Keep the sample chamber lid closed during this process. Once the diagnostic check finishes, allow a warm-up time of at least 20 minutes for stable operation. Preparing cuvettes or samples. Before testing, make sure cuvettes are clean, dry, and free from fingerprints. Use quartz cuvettes for wavelengths below 340 nanometers. Prepare your reference blank and sample solutions without bubbles or contamination. Accessing measurement modes. The instrument offers several measurement modes, including transmittance, absorbance, standard curve analysis, and coefficient mode. Use the keypad to navigate between functions from the main interface. Setting the wavelength. To set a wavelength, enter the wavelength setting interface using the control keys. Adjust the value using arrow keys and confirm. Once the wavelength is reached, the instrument automatically sets 0 absorbance and 100% transmittance. Calibrating with reference. Insert the reference solution into the light path and press the calibration key. This performs the 100% transmittance and 0 absorbance calibration, ensuring accurate measurements. Measuring samples T mode or A mode. Insert your sample into the holder and press the measure key. In transmittance mode, the instrument displays percentage transmission. In absorbance mode, it displays absorbance values. Each reading is automatically stored in memory and can be printed or cleared as needed. Creating a standard curve. For concentration measurements, choose the standard curve method. Set the wavelength, enter the number of standard samples, calibrate with the reference, and input the concentration of each standard. The instrument then generates a calibration curve and stores it for future use. Using coefficient method. In coefficient mode, enter the slope and intercept values of a known equation. After calibration, place your sample in the light path and measure its concentration directly. System functions. The system menu allows lamp control, dark current calibration, wavelength calibration, and restoring factory defaults. Perform dark current and wavelength calibration periodically to maintain accuracy. Ideal operating conditions for best results: maintain a stable temperature, low humidity, clean optics, and proper grounding. Avoid vibrations or sudden temperature changes during operation. Safety precautions. Always wear proper laboratory protection. Avoid exposure to lamp light, handle cuvettes carefully, and turn off the instrument before cleaning or maintenance. Dispose of chemical waste according to laboratory regulations. Troubleshooting basics. If you experience unstable readings, check warm-up time, grounding, lamp condition, or cuvette cleanliness. Correct errors such as dark current or wavelength calibration by following the instrument's on-screen instructions. Routine maintenance. After every test, remove solutions from the chamber and clean cuvettes thoroughly. Keep the instrument surface free from spills. Replace the fuse only when the instrument is unplugged, and refer to maintenance guidelines for proper procedure. By following these steps, you can ensure accurate, reliable measurements and long-term instrument performance. Thank you for watching this operation guide. Dinesh Scientific, precision you can trust. For more details, contact us today.